Have you ever seen a YouTube video with 1 million views and wondered to yourself, how much does that video actually make the video creator? Well, in this video, we're gonna be talking about how much popular YouTubers actually make from a dollar perspective, and more specifically, how much YouTubers make per 1,000 views, which is how YouTube tracks it. So in a general sense, this varies widely dependent on what type of content the actual YouTuber creates videos upon. A YouTube creator like PewDiePie, for example, who makes random videos about memes and funny things with clickbaity titles and things like that, is going to make significantly less per view than somebody who's making, news related content or more adult related content that advertisers are willing to pay more for to put an ad on, right? And so all of this comes down to what's called CPM, right? Cost per 1,000 views. And how YouTube actually calculates how much they pay their creators is how much they can charge advertisers to show ads on those same videos. So somebody making ads about software or things that cost a lot more money are gonna make more per view than somebody making random videos about funny stuff and memes like PewDiePie. But the trade-off is PewDiePie gets wildly more views than anybody actually making videos about software. So for example, if you look at MKBHD versus PewDiePie, right? MKBHD is another huge YouTuber, but he's making technology content, right? And so Samsung and Apple and those type of companies are willing to pay to put ads on his channel because his actual viewers are more likely to actually respond to those ads and buy things, versus PewDiePie, who makes random video content that no particular companies or advertisers are willing to pay more for. He gets a much lower CPM. So what is a reasonable range that PewDiePie makes per 1,000 views versus an entrepreneur YouTuber? And I know my own CPM, so I'm gonna use that kind of as a baseline. And then we're gonna talk about what I assume from my friends who are also massive YouTubers make on a CPM basis. So PewDiePie, I would be extremely surprised if he made anything other than like $1 or $2 max per 1,000 views. And that might not sound like a lot, but when you think about the fact that PewDiePie actually can get 10 million views in a single day, even $1 per 1,000 views adds up very quickly, right? Because $1 per 1,000 views is still $1,000 per million views. And if he gets 10 million views in a day, he instantly makes $10,000 just for that one video, right? But remember, he has hundreds of other videos that are being watched every single day, all day long. He has close to 21 billion views on his YouTube channel. And so if you do the math, even if he has a $1 CPM, that's still $21 million that he's made from YouTube. And if he has a $2 CPM, that instantly doubles to 42 million, right? So I would not be at all surprised if PewDiePie is making multiple millions of dollars per month just from his YouTube, right? But PewDiePie is the king. PewDiePie has the most views out of anyone, right? Let's take somebody more realistic, like myself or like other people who have, 450,000 subscribers. And that might sound like a lot, but compared to PewDiePie, who has, close to 100 million subscribers, right? It's nothing. But YouTube, you can still make a significant amount of revenue from ads, even with a much smaller subscriber base. Because at the end of the day, what it really comes down to is keywords, right? What are companies like Apple and these billion-dollar, multi-million-dollar companies willing to pay for, right? Because it has to be similar to their products to be able to earn more for your CPM. And so these YouTubers like Logan Paul and like PewDiePie and these people getting massive viewership are actually making a significant amount less per 1,000 views than smaller YouTubers that are focusing on actual higher value keywords like Facebook ads, like Amazon and things like that, that entrepreneurs and that other people are actually willing to pay for, which is why my CPMs are over $30, sometimes even over $40 when somebody like PewDiePie's is only $1, right? So per view, I make over 40 times more than PewDiePie, but he gets, hundreds of thousands of times more views than I actually get. But even with a relatively small channel with only 450,000 subscribers, which I'm all 100% grateful for, you can make a significant amount of money. Because if you're making $30, $40 per 1,000 views, you can see, if you check my Social Blade right here, that we have over 14 million views on the channel, right? So I'll let you actually do the math on that, but it's a significant amount of money, right? Making significantly more than most doctors make just from YouTube ad revenue. And that, that's not even considering, affiliate marketing and digital courses and all these other things, but that's not the point of this video, right? The point of this video is to show you how much YouTubers make per 1,000 views. And so what are the actual tools that you can use to figure out how much people are making and to figure out what are the most profitable keywords to actually go over? Well, we're gonna get to that in a second, but really quick, I do wanna give a shout out to our daily comment winner, which is Pardon Me, who says, Kevin, great video. You've quickly become my favorite YouTuber. Keep up the outstanding product. #win factor. So thank you, Pardon Me. You're the winner. And if you guys wanna be featured on our next video, all you have to do is one simple thing. Tap the subscribe button, turn on notification bells, and leave us a comment in the first minute of our next video, and we'll choose you and we'll feature you on our next video. So the tools that I like to use are called vidIQ. There's also another big one called TubeBuddy, right? But vidIQ is a free tool. It's a Chrome extension that you can actually use on the Chrome store, and it'll give you all these numbers, right? They're just estimates. When you go to people's channels, it'll tell you, stuff about their keywords, about their tags that are just really helpful when you're actually trying to build your YouTube channel. You can see how much volume is related to those keywords, how much competition there are for those keywords. So, Facebook ads for Shopify, for example, you can tell how many times people are searching that and how many videos have that tag. And if there's a disparity, if there's more demand than there is supply, then you can go out and create a YouTube video on that, and you'll have a higher than likely chance of actually having that video go out and get a lot of views. Another free tool that I use all the time and I totally recommend is called Google Keyword Planner. And Google Keyword Planner is an awesome tool that you can actually see how many searches people make for specific keywords every single month, right? Which is really, really helpful when you're deciding what to make YouTube videos about, because you want to create videos about things that people are searching, hundreds, if not thousands or tens of thousands of times every single month, so that you have a higher likelihood of actually getting your video views, right? And getting some subscribers and starting to get some momentum and building up your YouTube following. And so to summarize, guys, you get paid more to make videos with keywords like Facebook ads and things that these rich companies like Facebook and Amazon and entrepreneurs are willing to pay a premium for to actually have advertisements on. Or if you want to make content like pranks or just random funny videos, right, you're gonna get paid a lot less per view. But if you get popular, you could actually get a ton more views than entrepreneurs get, because that's just one, small section of the overall YouTube monster. And so if you're interested in making money with YouTube, check out this video right here, which is how to make $100 per day from YouTube. And I promise you, you've never heard of the strategy that we talk about in this video. So if you want to make money with YouTube, check out this video right here and we'll see you there. How this weird top 10 fastest trains in the world video made over $117,000 profit. And the